Hello viewers, this is City Technical. Today is 29 June 2022. We are webbing these machines to Lagos. This size 100 capacity and one chest bus. This is the chest bus. This chest bus is used for hiring. This chest bus, those people that do occasion, any occasion, you can come and hire it from the owner. It's used for occasions. If you put your drinks inside this chest box, you buy blocks and put it inside. Then this is the ice block machine. This size 100 blocks. You need this machine, just call us on 08066299127. This is 100 capacity. Today is 29th June 2022. We are webbing these works to Lagos at Ajah area. This size block machine size 100 capacity and the one chest bus. This chest bus is used for renting. The owner will be renting it out to people that do occasions. They will come and hire it from him or her. This is the ice block machine size 100 capacity with the AC machines. If you need any of our product, any of our machines, 8 to 10 hours blocking and 12 to 15 hours blocking, just call us on this number 08066299127. We deliver and install nationwide. Some of you are asking City how we will take deliver. We partner with ABC Transport, Benjaz, Izuchuku, Ezenwata, and the rest of them. So we deliver nationwide. Once you web your machine, you will receive it. You receive it both home delivery and all the rest. Just call us on 08066299127. City Technical.